A best car wash brush with a long handle makes vehicle cleaning safer, faster, and easier by reaching every surface without scratching paint. My today's video is about top 5 best car wash brush with long handle that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at BiPlus 18-foot reach car wash brush. The BiPlus car wash kit is a complete cleaning solution designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Its versatile set includes a telescoping extension pole, soft bristle wash brush, rotating microfiber mop, tire brush, window squeegee, and wash mitt, making every cleaning task more efficient. The aluminum pole extends up to 12 feet with a secure locking mechanism and comfortable EVA foam grip, allowing you to safely reach roofs, solar panels, and other high surfaces without straining. The ultra-soft PVC bristles effectively remove dirt while protecting your vehicle's paint from scratches, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even after frequent use. The pivoting microfiber mop follows vehicle contours for thorough cleaning, while the lightweight wash mitt and reliable squeegee enhance convenience. Whether you're washing a family car or a large RV, this all-in-one kit saves time, reduces water usage, and delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. It's an excellent investment for anyone who values a spotless, well-maintained vehicle. Now our second product is Angroi 56.7-inch car wash brush. The Angroi car wash brush is a versatile cleaning tool that delivers impressive performance for both vehicles and household tasks. Its ultra-soft chenille microfiber mop head safely lifts dirt and grime without scratching paint, ensuring a swirl-free, lint-free finish every time. The innovative 15 degrees curved design and 90 degrees swivel head make it effortless to clean roofs, windshields, and other hard-to-reach areas without straining. The 4-section telescopic aluminum handle extends up to 56.7 inches and easily adjusts to different lengths, providing maximum convenience for users of all heights. Beyond cars, it's equally effective on trucks, SUVs, RVs, boats, windows, ceiling fans, outdoor furniture, and more, making it a truly multi-purpose cleaning solution. The detachable design simplifies storage and maintenance, while the included extra microfiber mop head adds excellent long-term value. Durable, scratch-free, and highly adaptable, this car wash kit is a smart investment for anyone seeking professional quality cleaning results at home. Our third product is Tony Ingo 14-foot car wash brush with long handle. This upgraded car wash brush with a long handle is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a safe, efficient, and versatile cleaning solution. Its innovative dual locking system combines flip lock and screw reinforcement, preventing the extension pole from slipping during use and providing greater stability when cleaning high surfaces. The telescopic aluminum pole extends from 3 to 12 feet, allowing you to easily reach car roofs, RVs, trucks, solar panels, and house siding without using a ladder. The lightweight yet durable construction minimizes arm fatigue while maintaining excellent strength for extended cleaning sessions. Its ultra-soft bristles effectively remove dirt, dust, and grime without scratching paint, glass, or other delicate surfaces, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Compatible with most standard threaded cleaning accessories, this multi-purpose tool adapts to various cleaning tasks around your home and vehicles. Combining durability, convenience, and paint-safe performance, it's a valuable addition to any car care or home maintenance routine. Now number 4, Blade Car Wash Brush. The Blade Car Wash Mop is a thoughtfully designed cleaning tool that makes vehicle maintenance quicker and more comfortable. Its unique 15-degree curved handle reduces effort while providing easy access to hard-to-reach areas like car roofs and windshields. The flexible rotating brush head and adjustable aluminum alloy pole, extending from 21 to 41 inches, allow precise cleaning from multiple angles without leaving missed spots. The ultra-soft chenille microfiber mop head effectively lifts dirt and dust while protecting your vehicle's paint from scratches, swirls, and lint. The included microfiber cleaning cloth delivers streak-free drying and polishing, making it ideal for both automotive and household cleaning tasks. Whether you're washing, waxing, dusting, or polishing, this kit offers excellent versatility and convenience. Complete with 2 replacement microfiber mop heads, a durable long handle mop, and responsive customer support, the BMLI Car Wash Kit provides outstanding value for anyone looking for an efficient, reliable, and paint-safe cleaning solution. And our last choice is Navapal 52-inch Car Wash Brush. The Navapal car wash brush is a practical and durable cleaning tool designed to make vehicle maintenance faster and more efficient. Its soft PVC bristles gently remove dirt and grime without scratching delicate paint, while the protective rubber bumper adds an extra layer of safety against accidental impacts. The innovative 2-in-1 design combines a high-quality scrub brush with a built-in rubber squeegee, allowing you to clean and remove water streaks in one smooth process. The adjustable stainless steel handle extends from 32.5 to 48.5 inches, providing a comfortable reach for roofs, windshields, and other elevated surfaces. Its ergonomic 45-degree angled brush head reduces bending and fatigue, while the enlarged 11-inch head covers more surface area to save time. Ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, boats, patios, solar panels, and house siding, this versatile brush offers reliable performance, durable construction, and excellent value for anyone seeking a professional quality cleaning solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.